So because it's currently very hot here in Australia, I thought I would do a summer packing video. Honestly, summer is the easiest season to pack for because you're literally wearing nothing, just like shorts and dresses and just all the basic stuff. You don't have to pack jackets, which take up a lot of room. So yeah, it's a pretty easy season to pack for. I'm not going anywhere, but personally I love watching packing videos slash planning what I'd pack for any scenario. So let's just pretend I'm going to Hawaii and hopefully this will help you out with your packing vacation stuff. For this video, I'm going to use my 40-litre backpack, but if you stay till the end, I'm going to show you how you can fit everything into a Kanken and be super minimalist. So here's what I've packed. So as I was saying at the start of the video, this is how you pack in a Kanken backpack. Basically, I'm just taking the black shorts, the black singlet, my sports shorts slash pajama shorts, my plain white tee, my band tee, some swimwear, my black long sleeve, a bunch of underwear that I'm not showing on screen, my toiletry bag, a belt, but I just realized I'm not actually taking anything that requires a belt, my sandals, and just a side note, I don't actually wear socks with my sandals, it was just for the aesthetic. My drink bottle, and I got this one because it perfectly fits in the side pockets of this backpack. My travel towel, which, side note, really sucks and makes my skin feel really bad. Bug spray and deodorant. My hat, but although I probably would wear that or hang it on the side of the bag. Tripod, I guess. Obviously my passport, don't forget that, and my wallet, and electrical tape, because you never know when you might need something. And obviously, never forget your camera, especially for the gram. I'm probably going to be holding that 24/7. I always try to wear the bulkier stuff, so I'd probably be wearing the CONVERSE. Oh, and don't forget my cutlery. The cutlery has to go in the bag. You never know when you need to spread jam on a piece of bread. And my red dress. And I'd probably also take a tote bag just for during the day. I hope that was helpful for your summer travels. Basically, it's just a guideline of what I would pack. You can totally mix and match, or if you're a dude, you can just like swap out the dresses for like shorts and stuff. It's just basically a guide of how you can be minimalist traveling. Also, if you happen to be traveling for a long time, but you're starting off in summer, you can just start off with this kind of packing guide, and then as you go, you could like buy an extra jacket and like send stuff home or whatever you want. So thanks for watching my video. Let me know if you want any more packing videos in the future, and feel free to subscribe if you like this. Until next time, keep wandering.